guys, how's it going? Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Today I'm going to do a triple unboxing. Hold on, I'll turn these fucking lights on. Be a bit better. I've got two watches from Seestern. Let's get right into it. I'm not going to make a big long video today. I might do like a wee mini review of each one, but it's mainly, as you can tell, I've already unboxed them because there was about £9 worth of sellotape on the boxes on each of these, and I didn't want to be on camera fighting with sellotape. I've not touched the watches or whatever's inside, so let's get right into it, shall we? We'll move that. Oh Jesus, move that one. Right, first one, what we got? Aha! And here you get your wee adjustment tool, costs about 50p, but it's handy. Aye, whatever. Another instruction manual thing. And the warranty card. Right, fine. Well, that was easy. Just put that there. Right, so we've got the Doxa 300T Homage from Seestern. They call this a Tiffany blue, a pastel blue, whatever you want to call it. It's actually quite nice, actually. I'm just having a quick swatch at the details. This is a version 2. I'm not sure, I didn't have a clue, I've never seen the version 1. I did see the, that frog thing. Tactical frog. I was thinking crazy frog. Aye, don't even ask what that is if you don't know what it is. Aye, I had the tactical frog, and basically I thought it was, what's the word? Shite. Basically. This one is much better, I've got to say. And I have actually handled the real thing. Albeit just for, I wore it on wrist for a couple of hours and I gave it back. Obviously it wasn't my watch, so. And it's no something that I would aspire to owning. I'm not a fan of these massive cushion cases or anything like that. It just doesn't appeal to me. I know these are popular. No, well, the Doxas are very popular, but they're not exactly cheap. So I can understand why there's been a few homage watches that have come out. And long story short, in fact I'll give you a couple of dimensions on this, right? It's a 42mm case, the diameter. Lug to lug of 46, total height of 12.8 and a lug width of 20mm. It weighs in at 170 grams, that's the bracelet. Unsized, no touched. So you're probably looking about pretty much 150, 155 maybe if it was sized up for my 6 3/4 inch. I'm not sizing this up today. It's just to give you a quick look and whatnot. But I can say straight off the bat, this is way better than the Tactical Frog. I would actually buy this. I wouldn't buy the Doxa. It's just too expensive. But I like this, and I like the colour. Tiffany blue, pastel blue, whatever. It's nice. But obviously the movement wise, you're looking at a, what is it, what's in this? NH35, which is pretty much expected, I suppose. Nice bracelet. Oh, nice clasp. It's not the usual 3 holes and micro adjust, but the cheapest of the cheap. This one's actually quite good. It's fully milled as well. Beads of rice bracelet, polycenter links. I'll give you a wee, I'm not going to size it as I say, but I'll give, wrist check. I'm wearing the Waldorf Seawolf. This just came in just a couple of days ago, and I'll tell you something, it's fucking amazing. But I'll get into that when I'm actually reviewing the thing. Hang on. Fighting with my glove here. Take my glove off. Put that there. And as I say, I'm not going to size it up or anything like that. Quick wrist shot. That's what. See, that's what I don't like about these cushion cases. It's like it's a fucking hell of a lot of metal on there, isn't it? On your wrist before you even get to the dial. See the side bits and that. I mean, aye, people like it, each to their own, but for me it's no my kind of thing. I know I kind of contradict myself when I said I would buy it, but then it's only, how much is this fucking thing? $189, so what, 150 quid, thereabouts. It's worth the price, definitely, and if you like the style, well, go for it, because this one from Seestern, whatever the fucking call herself, this is the best one out of the bunch. It's the best one I've seen anyway. Right, I'm just going to keep that glove off. If you see my fucking my chewed fingernails, then tell somebody that gives a fuck. Right, same deal with this one. This is the Monster, I believe. Having a quick look at Seestern watches, I don't actually think the full Lume version is still available. I don't see it on their site anymore. Right, here we have the Monster. Or the Monster Homage, I should say. Nice white dial, I suppose. Oh, I meant to say on this one, as well as the Doxa Homage, the dates are loomed. I'll give you a date shot, Lume shot at the end. A date shot? Aye, alright, well, fuck's sake. Now, I got this, I requested this one. I didn't request any specific colour of the Doxa, but I did ask for this white version of the Monster, because I wanted to compare it. Because I actually own one. Alright, it's no the Seiko. Well, I never done a white dial Monster, did they? Maybe they did, I don't know. Or the ice one, but that was more of a bluey colour, was it? I don't know. But I've got this in my own one, and I wanted to compare these two because they're same price-ish. And this one, I actually love this one, the snowflake dial, right? And it's not full loomed. They're using C3 Lume instead of this one, which I believe uses BGW9, or their Chinese equivalents. But I love this, because the build quality in this is absolutely brilliant from Heimdall. Everything lines up perfectly and everything, and I just seem to be wearing it quite a lot. It's probably, other than my digital watches, this is probably one of the cheapest, in fact it is the cheapest watch in my own collection. So it's going to have to be good if it's sitting in my primary watch box, and that's exactly where it does sit. That's how good it is. I was totally amazed. And I've actually got another Heimdall in my watch box, the SKX Homage white dial, of course, with the black hands, and I mean, I can't fault it. It's better than any fucking Seiko I've bought. You know what I mean? Quality control's bang on. Everything lines up perfectly, and the tolerances are great. I mean, obviously it's got a relatively cheap clasp on it, but it's still milled and everything. But the way it wears, I really do like it. So this has to be good if it's going to replace this. So we'll see, shall we? I opened the box, as I said before. I had a quick look, see what it was, right? But I didn't look at it, i.e. look at it properly. So let's see. In fact, wait a minute. That's smaller. The Seestern one, that's smaller than this one. Does it line up, or is that a wee bit off to the left? No, I think it lines up. Aye, it lines up. Aye, anyway, I'll come back to that. Last one on the list, from Callum. Now, I've been trying to get one of these in for review for quite a while, because the guy, the owner of the brand, Zebec, let's call it Zebec Watches, they're based in Edinburgh, which is not far from me. That's where I was born, actually, in Edinburgh. So, but being a Scottish brand, well, obvious. You might have fucking noticed that I'm Scottish, by the way. Hey, let's have a look. Oh, it's a green one. Let's see what we get in here. Cleaning cloth, warranty card, and that's your whack. Oh, well, that's all you fucking need, innit? As soon as you take the watch out, size it, put the spare links in there, you'll fucking lose the box. Like flight case type box. I like the finish on it. But it's shiny! Fucking shiny! Anyway, let's look at the watch, eh? Now, Callum, if you're watching this, or Cal, everybody calls you Cal, I know that much. If you ever send me a watch again, didn't send me the green one. I fucking hate green watches. But I can look past that. You didn't do a white dial version, so I can forgive you, but what other versions have you got? The blue, or the orange, or the green? And you sent me the green one. Oh, fucking hell. Right, let's look at this and, oh, what's that? Wait a minute, I'll take it off the cushion. The end links look a bit, what's the word? Long. See the mid links there? They can't extend out too far. I know this has got to, that's the whole point, but that looks a bit weird. See how long they are there? Same on that side. Both crowns are screwed down, by the way. My lighting's shite again. I need to get new lights. Some big fuck. Just pay the money well and get some big massive lights and be done with it. I like the dial. That's why I asked for it in the first place. I mean, I know that's no lined up, but it's bi-directional, so it will be lined up once I fart about with it. With the crowns. Nice brushing, nice finish. I'm no keen on the end links. I don't like the way they sit. If you know what I mean. 250 quid. I think that's pretty much bang on the money, really. Put me off. You know, if I bought the watch and that, it came like that. I mean, you might think it's fine. Well, each to their own. Oh, I was going to compare. I never showed you the Monster on my wrist. I think it's a wee tiny bit smaller than my other one, but it's going to have to be good to beat my Heimdaller. Let me see. I'll give you wrist shots of all three. Right, there's my one, my Heimdaller. Lume on this is fucking outstanding, by the way. It really is. It's bright as hell and it lasts for absolutely ages. So you've got a lot to live up to. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Dilemma. Lume on the Corsair CZ1 or whatever the fuck they call it. ZC1. Get it right, Will. Oh, it seems alright. The Doxa. See the Lume date wheel? I like that. It's not very strong. I mean, it looks alright in camera, but in real life it looks kind of faded. I mean, it's the same with the Monster as well. That's starting to fade quite quick too. Looks alright to you there. But obviously my camera's doing its magic and making it look better than it actually is. Just to show you what I mean, this is my Waldorf Seawolf. This is what you're up against. To be fair, this has got C3X1 grade. And see how bright that is? And I tell you, it stays like that. It's one of the best Lume applications I've seen. Better than Zelos even. Right, I'm off. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.